Oh, he's back.
What's up, boys?
Hello.
Hi, Tarun. Hi.
Vijay.
Hi, Vijay.
దర్శి దర్శి నువ్వు రావా ఏంది?
Hi, Rituvi. Hi, Abhay. Hi, Suhas.
Hi, Vijay. Hi.
Okay.
How are you, Vijay?
Good. నువ్వు షూటింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నావు అంట.
Shooting for something small, not like a feature film or anything.
అరే మాకు కూడా చీట్ కోడ్ చెప్పు, మేము కూడా స్టార్ట్ చేయాలని వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాం.
I don't think you guys are willing to, na? All you superstars don't want to shoot.
I'm frustrated sitting at home. I want to start shooting.
I
heard all these superstars are being careful and they don't want to start shoots anytime soon. So.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ జూమ్ కాల్ ఎట్లా మనం హ్యాండ్ రేజ్ చేసి 1 by 1 మాట్లాడాలా?
No. We thought it would be better if it's more interactive. And since it is your reunion, we just are facilitating this, and we are happy to have you all on our platform. So we thought it's better if you guys share your memories from the show, from the film, and I think it was a game changer for all of you. So and for the audience. So if you can take us back.
Hi Ritu, hi Vijay.
He's always late.
లేదురా నెట్ కనెక్షన్ కరెక్ట్ కావట్లేదు. ల్యాప్టాప్
షేరింగ్ చేసుకొని వద్దాం అనుకున్నాడు, టైం అయిపోయిందని అట్లే వచ్చేసాం.
So good to see you all after a very long time.
Yeah.
Very Chuplu reunion.
What? It's 4 years or 5 years?
4.
4.
Vijay Nikasan. He doesn't even remember the date.
It's July 29th.
Oh, shit.
July 29th.
That's bad. So that's what actually Ritu I was telling Vijay, and I think I was telling Darshi also. So, and I'm so happy, Abhay, that if this happened, if this didn't happen, if Pelli Choopulu happened in 2020, fuck.
Yeah.
Oh God, no.
Vijay said it right.
కాకపోతే ఇప్పుడైతే అంతే, మనం కరోనా ఇప్పుడు పెళ్లి చూపులు ఇప్పుడు ఉంటే we would have sold it to some OTT. would have been pressured into selling it to some OTT. ఇంకా అసలు ఎట్లనో ఉంటుండే పరిస్థితి. సరే నువ్వు స్టాండింగ్ లో ఉన్నావా కూర్చొని ఉన్నావా?
I'm standing and working. I'm not sitting.
చెప్తున్నాడు పెళ్లి చూపులు రీయూనియన్.
Oh, you're standing.
Yeah,
Looks like you're actually sitting.
nice.
I'm standing. This is like Lata setup.
Burning calories.
Lata always told me to have perspective in the background. Niket also advised me to have like a V shape. ఎందుకంటే పర్స్పెక్టివ్ బాగుంటదని. అందరు ఇట్లా ఫ్లాట్ వాల్స్ లో కూర్చున్నారు కదా. So ఇట్లా look at
Somebody's changing their background.
I made it a week.
So added some light in the background also to add some shadow light depth. So guys, yeah.
But yes, guys, Pelli Choopulu 2, let's make it happen.
సీరియస్ గా రాస్తున్నావా?
I think I should. అంటే నేను I have an idea. I have a very very nice idea, which I didn't tell anybody. కాకపోతే I'm developing it. But let's see if it works out. It does. I have a version. I told Vivek and Uppu and all our boys.
Okay.
So they also kind of know. But I'll write it. మొత్తం రాష్ట్ర తర్వాత నేను చెప్తా మీకు.
But you have to take it crazy now. Like this gang has to go berserk.
Hello, wait 1 second. Vijay said no rom-coms. Boss.
Hey.
You know what? Let's
love story.
make Vijay
It's
promise that he'll do Pelli Choopulu 2.
Yeah.
Like, we need proof. So say it right now.
If it's not a love story, I will do it.
How can it not be a love story? It's Pelli Choopulu.
You were harassing me through Pelli Choopulu 1.
This time you harass me, okay?
I remember nobody had a caravan or anything, and nobody complained also actually. But we all just chilled out and we'd sit under trees and ఎక్కడెక్కడో ఫ్రెండ్ వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లలో వీళ్ళ ఇంట్లలో వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లలో అంతా కూర్చొని beg, borrow, steal, and we were doing it, and it was so much fun actually.
Yeah, work didn't feel like work.
Because we all knew each other, we were all friends, and we didn't mind like not having a vanity van or anything, any of those privileges that actors get or like directors get.
నాకైతే షూట్ ఎప్పుడు ఉంటుండే అన్నట్టే ఉండేది. అది షూట్ చేసిన రోజు.
So now I think Pelli Choopulu will no longer be a 63 lakh film anymore. the moment all these boys and girls come in, we'll have to get security. But it is so cool. You have no idea how I feel, you know, how I would feel these guys walking back on set. It would be crazy. నాకు గుర్తుంది ఏం తెలుసా, విజయ్ తోటి కుకింగ్ సీన్ అవుతుండే మా ఇంట్లో కిచెన్ లో. సో పాస్తానో ఏదో చేయాలి, నేను పాస్తా చేయరా చూపి నాకు పాస్తా ఎట్లా చేస్తారో అని విజయ్ అంటే, నేను చేసిన తర్వాత ఏంద్రా చీజ్ క్రీమ్ ఎగ్ ఇట్లా ఆయిల్ అన్ని యాడ్ చేసిన, ఎందుకురా టేస్ట్ బాగానే ఉంటది ఇది, నేను తినలేదు, నేను చేసిన పాస్తా ఒక్క స్పూన్ కూడా తినలేదు.
He put like full on cheese and cream and this. I was like, anything, if put cardboard also in that, it'll taste nice, like with cheese and cream and butter. But Tarun actually cooks well. Tarun bane chestadani.
I've been cooking, guys. I've been cooking actually.
We got one popular request when I told people I'm doing this Felitupulu reunion. They wanted me to ask Darshi about the thing behind you know, this dialogue, na chavu nen chesta neekenduku. So what is the story behind this dialogue?
One of the most iconic lines in Telugu cinema, I think.
అది the first time we all went to office, మారేడ్పల్లి ఆఫీస్ లో ఫస్ట్ రీడింగ్ చేసినాం మేము, అప్పుడు రాయలేదు తరుణ్. సో we went again second time after second reading or something, then he included. అప్పుడు మళ్ళా ఐ థింక్ he wrote this one scene and రాజ్ సార్ వినిపించాడు. రాజ్ సార్ burst out of laughing in the office.
Yeah, only Raj sir liked that line. So
Yeah,
I thought maybe నవ్వలేదు. So Vijay
మేమంతా
నా
అది
ఏదైతే ఉందో స్క్రిప్ట్ రీడింగ్
నేను ఉన్నప్పుడు ఉండే అది.
because when we were discussing also, Ritu really liked the script and she had no complaints. విజయ్ అయితే నన్ను సావ కొట్టింది ఇట్లా, అరే ఇది ఇది అయితే లేదు అది ఇది అని చెప్పి. దర్శి ఆల్సో హ్యాడ్ సిమిలర్ లైక్ ఇది అయితే లేదు
అరే నేను నోట్ తెచ్చుకొని రాసిన తరుణ్ అట్లా మాట్లాడకు, నేను నోట్ తెచ్చుకొని రాసిన, నేను నాకు ఐ నెవర్ హ్యాడ్ కంప్లీట్ ది స్క్రిప్ట్.
Okay, so maybe I don't remember, కాకపోతే we all felt while reading it that it wasn't so funny. At least I was feeling it. I kept asking Vijay also, అరే నీకు జోక్ వస్తుందా, అబ్బాయిని కూడా అడిగేటోడు నీ ఫన్నీ ఉందా అంటే, అబ్బాయి యూస్ టు టెల్ థియేటర్ లో వెళ్తుంది అని. I never understood and I kept asking Vijay was like, ఏమోరా నాకైతే
అవునా, నాకు అసలు no memory of this.
So I remember this guy.
I remember on the location you telling that line with that toothpick. I remember Tarun doing it and it was hilarious. And that day we all just knew that this is going to be like one. It's like so unpredictably. It's a moment that no one expected. I think you can never expect a comeback like that.
I wasn't so sure about that line. Actually, these guys really liked it on set also.
Hey, maza ochinde. It was sure shot అది.
ఇంకా
Tarun has a great sense of comedy.
అవును అది మేము ఒక సీన్ చేస్తున్నాం, ఏది అంటే విజయ్ దొరికిపోతాడు కదా వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ దగ్గర. దొరికినప్పుడు తరుణ్ మా దగ్గరకు వచ్చిండు, మీరు ఏం చేస్తారా అంటే, నేను అటు తిరిగినా వీడి కెమెరా పట్టుకొని ఇటు తిరిగిండు. తరుణ్ దాన్ని మాకు ఇట్లా చేయండి అని చెప్పి ఫ్లోలా యూకలిప్టస్ అన్నాడు. అది సీన్ రాసింది కాదా డైలాగ్, ఆన్ లొకేషన్ అన్నాడు తరుణ్. అరే ఇది మస్తుంది అని అట్లే చేసినాము, అది కూడా భయంకరంగా వర్కౌట్ అయింది.
And also the word unprofessional actors, it all came on set. It was not written on paper. Tarun చూసి అరే ఇట్లా ఒక డెడ్ ప్యాన్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ లో అన్ప్రొఫెషనల్ యాక్టర్ అనరా అని ఒకటి ఇట్లా చేసి చూపించింది అనమాట. అది వేస్తే నిజంగా ఇది వర్కౌట్ అవుతుందా కాదని కొంచెం people are laughing when we are doing it. But
నేను నాకు అది ఎందుకు వచ్చిందంటే, దర్శిని చూడంగానే నాకు అనిపించింది అదే చెప్పు,
the truth came out, you know. So అది
there's so many moments like that and I'm so fortunate all of it fell in place also for us. Very
everything fell in place. And అది నాచావ్ నేను చేస్తున్నప్పుడు రంజిత్ సిస్టర్ వాజ్ దేర్ ఆన్ సెట్. ఐ గెస్ రంజిత్ చెల్లెలు అక్కడ ఉండే, ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్ ప్రొడ్యూసర్ రంజిత్ అన్నమాట. His sister was there and she was laughing through all the 3 takes అన్నమాట. And I felt okay, this is really, it was like some kind of acknowledgement from a non-filmy person on the set. laughing at this joke and బాగా అనిపించింది అది.
I especially I enjoyed Vikarabad shoot. Mercy
Yeah,
song
it was
వచ్చే రోజు.
lovely.
One day it was-
Drive,
It was nice out
the
there.
sunset.
Yeah.
and the party after that, you remember?
Yeah.
Tarun,
To
We
hard
went
cup
straight
or
to the
something, no?
party.
Yeah.
Yeah, hard coupler.
It was it our wrap
We
up?
were
Was it
promoting
our
the
last
brand.
day of shoot?
Also,
కాదు.
last కి Vikarabad farm పోయినాం కదా. Last shot was there. It was like
Yeah.
Oh,
That
no.
was the last shot.
for some time.
That whole picnic setup was lovely.
Yeah, so we had a
And it
lot
looked
of
so good. It looked so good.
మన
Yeah.
మన షెడ్యూల్ లో ఫారెన్ లొకేషన్ అది ఒక్కటి.
That was around నిజంగా outdoor shoot.
Another big location. Yeah.
లొకేషన్
కాదు
Yeah.
మన స్టంట్స్ గుర్తులేవా? బ్రేక్ ఫెయిల్ అయింది బండిది.
Oh my god. Oh yes.
దాని
We should
తర్వాత
talk
దాని
about
తర్వాత
that.
అనుకుంటా.
It was chill as
It happened
hell.
twice, I think, right?
Yeah, multiple times. That truck was on bloody nightmare.
That truck
Just
was
barely put together.
it was
I
barely
think every day my
box of spanners or something. మొత్తం అయ్యే పాటికి ఇక నాకు తెలిసి we just barely missed a couple of very grave accidents. ఏంది అంటే నాకు విజయ్లో ఆ రోజు సద్గురు కనిపించాడు. ఇట్లా చాలా చిల్లున్నాడు. యాక్సిడెంట్ అయిపోయినాక కూడా చిల్లున్నాడు. నాకు అర్థమైతలేదు ఎందుకు చిల్లున్నాడు. చచ్చిపోతాం కదా విజయ్, నువ్వు భయపడతలేదంటే అందరం కలిసి వస్తాం కదరా అన్నాడు. సచ్ ప్రొఫౌండ్. ఇవాళ కరోనా అందరికి అదే అంటున్నా, వస్తే అందరం కదా లైట్ తీసుకోండి అని. మీరు కూడా భయపడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదేమో.
పెళ్లి చూపులు షూట్ చేసేటప్పుడు మనం ఎప్పుడు మేకింగ్ వీడియోస్ అట్లా చేయలేదు కదా మనము. ఐ థింక్
We have so many, no? We have quite a lot.
అనిల్ బోర్ రెడ్డి గారు చేసినట్టున్నప్పుడు
ఉంది అయితే ఉంది. బట్
I think maybe we should put out some video like that on the 29th, I guess.
I think so, yeah. I'll see if I can get footage.
or is there some deleted scene? Some scene that we
Yeah.
didn't put that you have edited?
ఒకటి ఉంది,
Hey,
రెండు మూడు
so
ఉన్నాయి
there's
actually.
one scene, I guess. One scene. So రవితేజ ఎడిటర్ ఉన్నాడు కదా. సో ఐ టోల్డ్ హిమ్ ఇంకా వేరే విధంగా ఎట్లైనా ఎడిట్ చేయవచ్చా అంటే కూర్చొని ఎడిట్ చేసి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి అయిపోయినాక ఇంకా ఏమైనా యాడ్ చేయవచ్చా రవి అంటే ఇట్లా యాడ్ చేసుకుంటే ఏదో చేసిండు. నేను మూడోసారి అడిగే వరకు ఏం చేసావు నువ్వు, అన్ని 1:1 రేషియోలో షూట్ చేసావు, నువ్వు షూట్ చేసిందంతా జస్ట్ ఇట్లా కట్ చేసి పెట్టినా, ఇంకేం ఎక్స్ట్రా తీయలేదు నువ్వు అక్కడ. ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ లైక్ యాజ్ దో మాకు ఫిల్మ్ రీల్ ఉన్నట్టు మేము పొదుపు చేసుకుంటూ ఇట్లా తనికెళ్ళ మన కోట శ్రీనివాసరావు కోడిని ఎలాడే తీసి అన్నం తింటుంటాడు చూడు, అట్లనే చేస్తావు. సో there was no extra scene at all, like there was nothing extra. There were
No,
no
ఒకటి ఉందిరా తరుణ్. I think I remember that one scene. విజయ్ లేడు అనుకుంటా సీన్ లో. నేను అబ్బాయి ఒక బార్ దగ్గర తాగుతుంటే వాడు పీటర్ అని వాడిని తిడతాం మేము ఒకడిని. వాడు మామూలు
వాడు ఇక్కడ నీ face లోకి వస్తాడు కదా, నీ ఫేస్ లోకి వస్తాడు.
ఇంకో బియర్ ఈరా అంటే వాడు ఇయ్యడు అనమాట. ఇలా జాజ్ మ్యూజిక్ ఇంకుంటే పెద్ద పీటర్ గారిలా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారా, తీరా అంటే అప్పుడు తీసి ఒకటి పెడతాడు ఇట్లా.
Let's talk about our favorite scenes. Let's do that.
Favorite
Scenes. Like, which is your most
I think
favorite scene from
my-
the film?
My favorite scene is that Chitra and Nandu, ante Maddie, tanu that he comes back from Delhi and then Chitra says she slaps him and says breakup చేసుకున్నాను కదా, సరిగ్గా బ్రేకప్ చేసుకోవాలి అందుకని. అది
That was so difficult to do.
చాలా నా ఫేవరెట్ సీన్ అది ఫిల్మ్ మొత్తం.
Ritu didn't want to slap you, acha full it.
Yeah.
Can I slap him?
Everybody kept saying, slap him, slap him, slap him. I'm like, I can't do that. I'm not a violent person.
Hey, slap me. It's okay. Slap me. What's
What
yours,
about you,
Aman?
Vijay?
Me, I think for me, like my favorite scene was like when the film released, I wasn't in the country, and when I came back, I went straight to the theater and I was sitting. No one knew me, and I could see it was an IMAX, I think, I was sitting in one of the Enkal rows with 7-8 members of my family, and I saw one whole bloody theater like shake with laughter, and they were laughing at things I never thought they would laugh at. They're laughing at everything, and I saw like groups of friends laughing together and pointing at the screen and saying, "Arey, you do this, you do that," and hitting each other. And for me, that was one visual I'll not forget. I think it's special when you
Yeah.
see people
True.
react to this, no? And it was such a journey from Tarun telling me the idea, and it was an idea he had written for someone else. So he told me, I'm doing this film with someone else. It's almost on the floors. So that not happening, and then him saying, "Will you do it?" And na katha etla cheppindu, parking lot lo car. He had one office. We were just standing near the car, and he just told me, and I was like, "Nice, I really like it." And then he said, "I'll send it to you. You read." And then we read it, and then just to get it on the floors was like one 5-6 month journey, and then just getting these people on board, like Ritu didn't take any money to do it. Tarun didn't take any money. All these boys worked, as in we just worked just to make this film happen. Unless everybody came, like your only objective had to be to tell this story. And unless you came to do it that way, this film wouldn't have got made. It wouldn't have released. And just today morning, I was telling my mom I have a Pelli Chupulu interview thing, and mommy enduku ante my dad was saying we were counting how many years it's been, and I was just like, shit, in 4 years life's changed so much. Like I'm living one different life completely. I'm in some house that we couldn't afford. Like we would go to these cafes, and we couldn't pay for the coffee because coffee will get done in 10 minutes and then it'll look like you're sitting idle. So we would order a hookah, because this hookah thing goes on for like bloody 1.5 hours. So I just little ankunta that was our meeting spot, because we had to sit somewhere and talk. So we malla adi dabbulu unnaya ani andaram, me, Tarun and Ranjit would be there like most of these meetings. And we were like, nee daggara entunnai. So it was one trip. Sometimes I wish I could have documented these things. A lot of times I wish I just had one camera going around and document these things, because I think these are great. These are greater stories. I think how we made this film is even a greater story than the film itself. Like how everything about the film. And I think it would help thousands of actors and filmmakers, man. It would show them a new perspective, wanted to get things done, to what extent you have to go. I think there's a bigger story which manam enta cheppina adi will fail to convey. I think only we know, the 10 of us who made this film strongly and the producers. I think only we know like what it took. Mad journey.
Because I remember none of us, I think none of us had more than 100 rupees in our pocket at every point. Except Ritu. Ritu, manchiga, she's a nice. Ritu was a topper in college. She already was working in Google. And,
I already had done 2-3 films, no, by then. So I had whatever.
So when Ritu was around, the treat would be nice and expensive. Otherwise, the boys, we were all like 50 rupees, 100 rupees batch. I think
coffee day kuda kaadu adi edo cafe lo
every time it was hard cup coffee, because Rajkandapuri sir daya valla akkada oka chicken 65 dorukedi matram. Max, that was the other thing. I still remember me and Vijay hanging out in Necklace Road because we didn't have money to sit somewhere and have coffee.
Yeah. And one eventful phone call that happened that day, which we took decisions which we cannot talk about.
Oh shit, what a insulting phone call we had, man.
No, this is before we found producers and stuff.
Before we found producers. I was on phone with some producer, and that producer just used the F word, and I was like, oh shit, I hope this person's not scolding me. He is also shocked. Oh, they use the F word? Yeah, they use the F word, which means we are not getting money. Yeah, I think we have to search for somebody else. We were searching constantly, so we got abused and threatened. All that shit.
I hope he's regretting somewhere.
So many people are regretting.
Yeah, man. It happened for the better. I mean, Unkoti, we can't even blame a lot of people because there are a bunch of crazy people. That film was sing sound. Nobody understood it. In fact, after a while, me and Vijay also were thinking, what did we make? I don't know if it's a film or what. I wish we just
అదెవరో ఇంట్లో ఏమో
Yeah,
దంచుతున్నారు.
construction work.
కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఐ థింక్
Whose
కిచెన్ లో
house is it? Whose house is it?
అబ్బాయిలో చికెన్ వండుతుందా అబ్బాయి ఇంట్లో?
లేదు లేదు,
Use it, please.
మా ఇంటి పైన ఎవరో వర్క్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు.
నాకు తెలిసి అబ్బాయి వాళ్ళ వైఫ్ ఇట్లా వెనకాల నుంచి కొడుతుంది. ఎంతసేపు రా, ఎంతసేపు.
Oh yeah, like
Another interview
since
or
Petty
no?
Chuplu, like so many of you all got married. Like that, she got married, Abhay
Two
got
of us,
married.
yeah.
ఓన్లీ మీ అండ్ యువర్ లెఫ్ట్ రితు.
Hey, I got married when I was 23. Nadi child marriage. So don't even.
But because of your child marriage, we got a costume and production designer for free.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Pelli Chuplu. Worth it.
I remember one thing. విజయ్ వచ్చి ఒక రోజు దిష్టి పెట్టిండి ఇట్లా. ఏంటి అంటే, అరే తరుణ్, నిన్ను లతాని చూస్తే నాకు కూడా పెళ్లి చేసుకోబుద్ధి అవుతుందిరా అన్నాడు. నెక్స్ట్ డే ఏమైంది, సెట్ మీద ఇట్లా ఏదో ఇట్లా ఇష్యూ చేస్తే,
Oh, your dog!
oh shit.
Say hi. Say hi. Stomach. Hey. Hey, అక్కడ చూడరా.
Just biting రే.
Yeah, he's one beast.
కాదు,
Beast fellow.
ఇట్లా కరుస్తావా ఇంటికి వస్తే?
మంచిగా ఇట్లా మీట్ ఉంటే బాడీకి, బట్ వెరీ జెంట్లీ కొరుకుతాడు ఇట్లా ఇట్లా ఇట్లా. నో
You
స్టాప్.
have
ఈ ఏజ్ లో
Why are
అవి
you
ఈ ఏజ్ లో
afraid, Tarun?
ఇచ్చుంటుంది కదా.
Show Storm రే విజయ్ once.
Stormy, say
Oh,
hi.
so cute.
Say hi, Stormy. Say
Aw.
hi, baby. Say hi, baby.
అరే తీసుకురా విజయ్ ఒకసారి ఇంటికి.
యా, వాడిది వ్యాక్సిన్, థర్డ్ వ్యాక్సిన్ అయిపోగానే ఇంకా ఫుల్ ఆన్. ఐ వాంట్ హిమ్ టు రన్ అరౌండ్ ద సిటీ.
మనకు కూడా వ్యాక్సిన్ వస్తే బాగుంటుంది.
దిస్ ఇస్
Ritu, what is your favorite scene? You were asking the others about their favorite scenes. What's yours from the film?
అబ్బాయి కూడా చెప్పాలి. I think అబ్బాయి also needs to answer.
Yes.
My favorite scene would be the conversation between Chitra and her father. I think it was a very beautifully written scene, and I think the way Guru Raj sir enacted it, I think my reactions were like pretty natural to it. So it was a really touching scene. My favorite on the film. Yeah.
We should take a moment for all the fathers and mothers of the film. Guru Raj sir, Kedar garu, ilanta champesina asalu.
Yeah.
Kedar, Guru Raj.
They were very
విజయలక్ష్మి గారు అండ్ పద్మజ గారు.
Guru Raj sir, he called me home. I went and chilled with him. Everybody, Padmaja ma'am, I'm still in touch with Padmaja. They're like only. Abhay, what is your favorite scene?
ఫేవరెట్ సీన్స్ నాకు చాలా ఉన్నాయి తరుణ్, కానీ ఒక పర్టికులర్ ఫేవరెట్ షాట్ ఉంది. ఏదంటే మనోడు బ్రష్ చేద్దామని చెప్పేసి వెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ బెడ్ చూసి పండుకుంటాడు చూడు. నేను అదే టైప్. బ్రష్ చేద్దామని ఇట్లా వెళ్తాడు, మళ్ళీ బెడ్ చూసి బ్రష్ పక్కన పెట్టి వెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ పడుకుంటాడు కదా, ఒక షాట్ ఉంటది. సీన్స్ అంటే నాకు తెలిసి చాలా సీన్స్ ఉన్నాయి.
సో నాది ఫేవరెట్ సీన్ వచ్చేసి ఎందుకో ఐ రియల్లీ లైక్ దట్ రీతు అండ్ విజయ్స్ కాన్వర్సేషన్ ఇన్ ద కాఫీ షాప్.
మ్యూజిక్, అక్కడ మ్యూజిక్,
Actually, quite a lot of favorite scenes.
Music in the coffee shop, yeah.
God.
That is one of my favorite. Dan tarvata Merse, I remember because of the vibe. All of us had like one nice end, and we scheduled it nicely. Mottam అయిపోయినాక ఫారెన్ లొకేషన్ లో పోయి ఇట్లా ఎండ్ చేసినట్టు we went to Vikarabad. We really celebrated, so I thought it was damn nice. Yeah, I
That
think
is best part of the whole shooting.
good memories.
I also love the scene where Prashant comes to Chitra's house and he talks to her father, where he says, "You have a wonderful daughter. Why do you want to like get her married her away and stuff?" Like that.
దాంట్లో వెనకాల
There
దర్శి
was effortless in the scene.
Vijay is giving the monologue of his life వెనకాల దర్శి. I love Darshi's expressions in that. You saw that, Vijay?
Yeah. In the end also, after I say the dialogue and leave, he'll give one expression and go, no? And Tarun, that was one day I got little frustrated. Tarun wanted a single take. It was on bloody long dialogue and it's live sound. So I can't, if any dialogue lo oka word roll aina malla cheyale. సో నేను ఒక 3 సార్లు ఏదో వర్డ్ రోల్ అయ్యి ఇంకా నేను ఎందుకు సింగిల్ టేక్, ఎందుకు నాకు ఈ కష్టాలు, చేసుకో 2 ఇప్పుడు సింగిల్ టేక్ తో ఏమొస్తుంది. తరుణ్ డూ ఇట్ వన్స్ మోర్, ఇట్స్ కమింగ్ వి ఫైనల్లీ పుల్ ఇట్ ఆఫ్.
I'm obsessed with some single takes, and after that I cut it also, but I don't see why I'm obsessed with them, and I wanted Vijay to do it, and he did it flawlessly.
Yeah, I think it's been 4 years since Pelli Choopulu, so a lot has changed. I think we've also changed as actors, and you know.
So good to see everyone. Darshi is the busiest actor అయిపోయిండు. మా సినిమా
So many films you have done,
all our
Darshi.
films get stalled for Darshi. Like
Anna,
Darshi date Darshi date లేదు, రేపు ఉన్నాడు.
We won't get his dates again.
Yeah, I'm
Hello,
sure Sri Karthik's film
please,
that's
please,
happening, no? Where we have to wait for Darshi dates.
అంత
All my
లేదు
films,
అక్కడ.
all my films have to wait.
Abhay
It's actually nice that it's like a conversation. I thought maybe it'll be like an interview, like somebody asking us questions and, you know, giving like each one of us giving replies and all of that. I think this is much nicer.
Guys, what was your reaction when Pelli Choopulu won the national award? You know, that was very
Oh
well
my
deserved.
నేనే తరుణ్ కి ఫోన్ చేసి చెప్పిన,
This was
బాబు
it.
నీకు అవార్డు వచ్చిందని.
Abhay told
తరుణ్
me.
ఏదో పనిలో ఉన్నాడు, నేను టీవీలో స్క్రోలింగ్ చూసి తరుణ్ మనకు అవార్డు వచ్చింది తెలుసా అంటే షాక్ అయ్యిండు.
I didn't realize. I didn't know. Abhay called me and told me. By that time I wasn't understanding what's happening. Bombay nunchi calls vastunayi and all that. I didn't understand what was happening. I thought everything was a prank only. Like the whole world is pranking me. I was thinking.
I think right from the release it felt that way.
Yeah, it felt that way.
Like there was so much happening every day.
No, you know something. Me and Ritu, we were feeling anxiety. Like, why is this happening?
Okay,
How is it happening?
I think Vijay too. Vijay
Hey,
too.
Vijay.
You all did.
I got to know later, like when Lata told me that Tarun and Ritu went through. Because I was constantly shooting, no, I never got time to really absorb it or get to it. But there's this thing that happened. Devish DSP was having a. This is it. He was having like a video release, and me and Ritu were invited for it post Pelli Choopulu.
Oh, yeah.
So IMAX lo Chiranjeevi garu, Bunny Anna, Rakul, there was the whole industry there. And Devi was launching this, they played this video, and me and Ritu were like
World
the
tour or
kids.
something.
Yeah, world tour. DSP had done a world tour. So we were sitting, they had invited us. Elinam Sare release ayindi. It was a hit by then. We both went, sat. Then after the event got done, Chiru Garu was invited on stage, and Chiru sir was speaking about Devi and all the films he had done, and then Bunny Anna and everybody. And one by one, there was a whole horde of actors and actresses. Everyone was called on stage, and then suddenly people were telling, they came and told me, go on stage, both of you go on stage. I was like, no, I'm not going. And I was like, first thing, who am I to go? Was one thing. మేము ఎవరము ఏదో సినిమా చేసినాం, మేము ఎందుకు అక్కడ. సెకండ్ థింగ్, వాళ్ళు పిలవలే కూడా. They didn't even call. So I don't want to go on stage and be like, so both me and Ritu were reluctant. So what they did, someone went and told them, please call these people on stage. Then someone announced, I think Devi or Chiranjeevi sir or someone announced, we also Pelli Choopulu బాయ్ విజయ్ దేవరకొండ అండ్ రితు వర్మన్ కూడా స్టేజ్ మీదకి రమ్మంటాం అంటే దెన్ లైక్ ఓ షిట్ వై డిడ్ వి డూ దిస్ నౌ వి హావ్ టు గో అండ్ దెన్ వి హావ్ టు వాక్ డౌన్ సెంటర్ లో ఉంటది ద స్టేర్స్ to go to the stage like IMAX big some screen it was, so we both went, we were climbing down and suddenly the whole theater started cheering. I was front, Ritu was back, and then I was like enduku arustunar andaru అని నేను రితుని చూసిన, రితు చూసి రితు వెనకాల చూసింది, and then she turned back and she's like I don't know, maybe it's for us type, and then we both slowly walked on stage. We went to one corner, but till we were on stage, while we were walking, climbing up, everyone was cheering and stuff, and it felt so good and so awkward, embarrassing at the same time that there are such
We were like
stalwarts
lost
here.
children.
Yeah, they're like, "Arey, andar manak gurinchi arustunaru."
And I think starstruck in a way.
Yeah.
It was
Hey,
it was
also,
so strange.
I remember one thing, man. I remember one thing. We went to an engineering college, me and Darshi, and suddenly after some college we went, and అయిపోయిన తర్వాత Darshi came out of stage, and the system broke. System collapsed there. All the students just hoarded around Darshi like this, and I was looking at this scene like, "Arey, this fellow, me and him did have 50 rupees no day before yesterday. What happened?" What happened exactly? I was looking. My mom is asking, "What happened?" I thought they were going to attack Darshi because he said something controversial. No, they just wanted to touch Darshi. So I saw that right after Pelli Choopulu in like a month or so, and Darshi was trying to breathe. He was breathing. Arun, you go down. I'll meet you in the car.
నేను విజయ్ కూడా ఒక కాలేజ్ కి వెళ్ళాము వైజాగ్ లో. విజయ్ గుర్తున్నారా నీకు? కాలేజ్ ఇన్ వైజాగ్. ఐ థింక్ అక్కడ కూడా అంతే. ఓ మై గాడ్, అసలు అంటే ఇది దిస్ ఆల్ అంటే ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ డే ఐ రిమెంబర్ ఆన్ ద 29th ఆ రోజు the team we all went to Shanti Theatre. Remember first day పోయినాం మనం, గుర్తుందా? I think second matinee show కనుకుంటా మనం అక్కడ ఉన్నాము. I think that is the first, అంటే అక్కడ I think we actually understood what this film was going to be, and దాని పవర్ అసలు అప్పుడు దాకా we didn't know anything. లోపలికి వెళ్ళగానే people, the theater was shaking, the people were like going mad, berserk, అందరు ఇలా cheering. వీళ్ళందరూ ఎవరు ఎందుకు అరుస్తున్నారా, ఎందుకు అరుస్తుంది? ఇనిషియలీ థాట్ మనం సినిమా ఆపినందుకు అరుస్తున్నారేమో అనుకొని టుండే.
It took us a while to get accustomed to that. We enjoyed it, and I think now we're getting, but nothing like the first time. The first time when we saw the appreciation pouring in, it was so heartfelt, and we didn't have any big stars, any backup or anything. And all the big stars actually, they called and spoke. Ravi Teja garu.
Even on social media, everybody posted about it.
Yeah, and organically, we didn't ask anybody also. Valle chestaru itla. We were so happy about it. It was really, really a nice.
And a lot of people were saying thank you for making Pelli Choopulu. That was something I think. అలా బాగా అనిపించేది. ఎవరైనా థ్యాంక్ యూ అంటుండే వాళ్ళు. అది that was something which I'll have it all in my memory fresh all the time.
It's so nice that people still talk about the film, like even after like 4 years. I still keep getting messages on social media.
So Pelli Choopulu was about a date, a coffee date, and a live-in relationship, and a couple trying to figure something out, and then probably you don't even know if they ended up together. That's where we left the film. You didn't know if Chitra and Prashant got married. They just decided to fall in love. So that's where we ended the film. And I think in the guise of traditional matchmaking, Pelli Choopulu is a very modern love story. It explores about a very modern generation's take on love and relationships. That's what now Indian matchmaking, they're talking that it's regressive. There are a lot of traditional things that kind of stereotype women and guys into put them in a lot of boxes. I feel that has to be broken through Pelli Choopulu too, if we can. So I think that can happen, and I'm seeing great possibility. And if Abhay, Darshi, Vijay, and Ritu pay me good money, I will do it.
జీపే చేయాలనా లేకపోతే ఫోన్ పే ఓకేనా?
Vijay, are you listening?
I have
Producer,
to
sir.
what did Tarun say? Some money I heard in the end.
I said Pelli Choopulu 2 will happen if all you guys pull in, make one middle class Tarun fund. Okay? Middle class Tarun fund for me, and I will also buy one nice car, and then we will make Pelli Choopulu 2. Okay?
if Vijay
Tarun
is
ఇట్లనే
producing,
ముచ్చట
I'll do
చెప్తాడు కానీ చేయడు.
Guys, I'm telling you, I'm trying to write. I'm whiling my time away. I'm such a bloody. I realized I'm the laziest of the lot. I'm like that Prashant. I'm exactly Prashant. I'm bloody getting up and sleeping. I should not be a role model to anybody in life except my dog, because that's also like me. So, time pass. I'm just doing time pass at home, guys.
Yeah, man.
Tarun, you know when you decided it will happen. Like నువ్వు అనుకుంటే Tarun knows that whenever he comes to me, I'll do a film with him. He knows if he asks any of us, we'll do a film, we'll produce the film, we'll do anything. That's why he'll never come. Why hasn't he pitched a movie to me or Ritu or Darshi, anyone till today? Because he knows వీళ్ళు ఉన్నారు, నేను ఎప్పుడు అడిగితే అప్పుడు చేస్తారు నాకు అని.
Vijay smart. Vijay smart.
Actually, he told me that also recently. Tarun told me even when you're in your 40s and 50s, I'll produce films for you. I'll make films for you. He said.
So that's what I'm saying is, Darshi might invest in land, and Vijay might invest in his own clothing store. Ritu might invest in something. My investments are these guys. This is my investment. I don't have any fixed deposits or bank loans. These guys are there. I will never be poor, and as long as I have my actors with me.
Yeah, you've made an incredible investment. Your investment
Tangible.
is best.
Tangible investment.
My investment is like the stock market. It's always growing. So, so I'm so glad. We had this conversation. So yeah, I think all of us can say something as the final note.
Yes. You can all enact the dialogue from the film, your favorite dialogue from the film, if you can. You know,
No. That's not going to happen. That's not going to happen. I'll tell you why. Because we set up production design and lights and sync sound and everything and make that dialogue look good. But if we do it on Zoom call, then we are really screwing up.
No.
Don't do that.
లేదు
Okay.
యా చెప్తా నేను. ఫైనల్ థింగ్ ఏంటంటే, నేను పెళ్లి చూపులు చేయకపోయి ఉంటే నా విజన్ మారకపోయేది సినిమా పైన. అండ్ ఈ రోజు నేను స్క్రిప్ట్ రాయకపోయేటోని. అది ఎట్లా రాసిన అనేది పక్కన పెడితే, అది వరస్ట్ ఉండొచ్చు, వాట్ ఎవర్. బట్ నాకు ఐడియా రావడానికి ఒక కారణం ఏంటంటే, తరుణ్ పెళ్లి చూపులు వల్ల తరుణ్తో నేను 3 times వర్క్ చేసిన. ఒకటేంటంటే బీటెక్ వెబ్ సిరీస్ అని రాసిండు, డైరెక్ట్ చేయలేదు. మిగతా 2 తరుణ్ డైరెక్ట్ చేసిండు. ఈ 3 నేను ఎవ్రీడే షూట్ కి వచ్చినప్పుడు తరుణ్ ఎట్లా డైరెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాడు, సీన్ ఎట్లా రాస్తున్నాడు, ఎట్లా చెప్తున్నాడు జనాలకి, ఇది మాత్రమే అబ్జర్వ్ చేసిన. ఈ 3 వల్లనే నేను ఈ రోజు ఒక స్టోరీ రాయగలిగిన. అంటే లైక్ నాకు సినిమా పైన మొత్తం ఇంప్రెషన్ మొత్తం చేంజ్ అయిపోయింది. సో నేను ఈ రోజు ఒకవేళ అది ఏం చేసినా చేయకున్నా పెళ్లి చూపుల నుంచి నాకు చాలా నేర్చుకున్నా.
Akshay, what about you?
Definitely పెళ్లి చూపులు.
Throughout the whole Zoom call, Darshi's just been looking at his own window. That's all. He's not looking at me.
ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు మాట్లాడుతుంటే నువ్వు చూస్తున్నా, నాకు ఇట్లా లైన్ వస్తుందిరా. సో అందుకని లైక్ ఇట్స్ సేమ్ పాయింట్ అన్నమాట నాకు. అందుకని ఇట్ ఇస్ ఆల్వేస్. బట్ నాకు పెళ్లి చూపులు ఒక సెల్ఫ్ డిస్కవరీ. నేను అప్పుడు దాకా నేను ఎట్లా ఉంటుండే లైఫ్ అంతా. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్వేస్ లైఫ్ ఇస్ బిఫోర్ పెళ్లి చూపులు అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ పెళ్లి చూపులు. some of the finest talents. I made best friends on this. నా లైఫ్ మారింది అండ్ చాలా నేర్చుకున్నా. యాక్టర్ గా ఇంకా వేరే చేయడానికి నాకు అవకాశం దొరికింది. చాలా వేరీడ్ క్యారెక్టర్ చేయడానికి అవకాశం దొరికింది. అండ్ ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ సెట్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు, ఏ సెట్కి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు కూడా ఇది పెళ్లి చూపులు సెట్ లాగా లేదే అని చాలా రోజులు ఇది ఉంటుండే అనమాట. దట్ హ్యాంగ్ ఓవర్. బట్ ట్రూలీ పెళ్లి చూపులు ఈజ్ అ సెలబ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ లైఫ్ నాకైతే. అండ్ ఇట్ విల్ ఆల్వేస్ బి an identity for me. That ఇప్పుడు కూడా ఎప్పుడైనా అయితే నా పేరు గుర్తున్నది ఎవరికి ఇట్లా కౌశిక్ అని పిలుస్తుంటారు అప్పుడప్పుడు రోడ్ మీద ఎక్కడైనా. అండ్ అరే వాడరా కౌశిక్ రా అని. ఇట్ సో హ్యాపీ, సో న్యాచురల్. అండ్ ప్రాబ్లీ చాలా మంది అడుగుతారు ఆ డైలాగ్స్ అని చెప్పండి అని. అది ఒక్కోసారి ఎట్లుంటది అంటే చాలా సార్లు యూ కీప్ సేయింగ్ దట్ అగైన్ అండ్ అగైన్. బట్ ఐ ఆల్వేస్ ఫీల్ సమ్వేర్ దట్ ఎఫెక్ట్ రాదేమో అని అనిపిస్తుంది. బట్ ఇది చెప్తా ఉంటా ఆ డైలాగ్ ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళినా కూడా. అండ్ పీపుల్ రిమెంబర్ మీ ఫ్రమ్ దట్ డైలాగ్ అండ్ దట్ సెంటెన్స్, దట్ నేమ్, దట్ కార్. సో ఇంత ప్రాబ్లీ వన్ క్యారెక్టర్ దట్ ఒక గొప్ప స్టేట్మెంట్ నా లైఫ్ లో అది. సో ఐ థింక్ యా again, Pelli Choopulu 2 is happening, then yeah, please let's make it happen, man. I want to do that. Just a film where we all can come back and work together.
Yeah.
Planet Tarun, come plan చేయి ఖచ్చితంగా.
Yeah, Ritu, what do you say?
I think Pelli Choopulu is one of the best things that happened to me. I think it changed a lot of things for me. People started looking at me differently as an actor. They started calling me a performer and all of that. And the kind of films that I started getting changed. And I think it's the experience that all of us had that connects us together always. I think we're extremely fond of each other. And I think it should remain this way. And just like connecting with you all now has been so amazing. Like all of us, I think, have been having like this big grin on our faces throughout this conversation. So I think that says everything.
Great. Vijay zoned out somewhere.
ఏమో ఏం చెప్తాం. It's I think wherever we go in life, no, like when you're 70 or whatever, wherever you go in life, they'll be like, where did this guy start off, or where did he start off, or where did she start off? Asal Tarun ekkadi nunchi vachindu, asal Priyadarshi ekkadi nunchi vachindu. You go anywhere, you'll see that the point was Pelli Choopulu. So it will, all films are special to us, like chala films chala special untayi, but I think this is our birth somewhere as actors, as stars, as whatever we are today. So it will forever live in memories of people whenever they find us. Maybe there are so many people who don't know me now who will know me. Maybe when Fighter release, a new bunch of people will know me and they'll go and check asalu veedu evaru ante Pelli Choopulu vastadu, and they'll watch the film. So it will forever remain fresh and it will forever remain special. And it's been 4-5 years, but nenu Rituni, for example, Tarun and me would meet quite often. Darshi, every film of mine is pretty much there. Abhay kuda Geeta Govindam nathon chesam, so these boys are always there. But Ritu, I bumped into her in Chennai after like 2-3 years, and we weren't in touch. But still, when I see her, she's Chitra, she's Ritu, she's the girl. There is absolutely no loss of communication, no loss of time. Immediately I just go up to her and give her one big hug, and we make plans for the evening and go out for a meal or something. So these bunch will always be special. Inka my theater is ready, Tarun. I think 29th, if you guys are up for it, intiko cheyandi, we'll watch Pelli Choopulu. My fridge is stocked. We'll sit and we'll watch the movie.
Vijay has one amazing home theater, guys. నేను చెప్తున్నా, దట్స్ అవర్ హ్యాంగ్అవుట్ ప్లేస్. ఇంకా నెక్స్ట్ టైం అంకుల్ మనం తిట్టినా గానీ పర్వాలేదు, మనము పై వెళ్ళిపోదాము, ఆ థియేటర్ మనదే. అంకుల్ కింద తిడుతుంటాడు, మళ్ళీ వచ్చినారు ఇల్లు అని, పర్వాలేదు, ఏం కాదు. మనం
I think they'll be happy. They'll also want to watch the movie. They'll want to watch the movie again. So my mom will be excited to watch. So as long as none of you are coughing and are having headaches or corona,
I think
29th
Auntie is the biggest fan. Vijay's mom is the biggest fan of Pelli Choopulu. She loves it. She just loves it. Everybody.
If you want, I'll plan it. నువ్వు కోఆర్డినేట్ చేయి, నాకు చెప్తే నేను will get one good print or those hard disk must be lying around, which we sent to 10-15 producers. So a hard disk, we would ship it everywhere saying, watch our movie, please release it. A hard disk lo vadunna kuda adi direct high quality untadi, we can watch.
When it comes down to me, I think it wasn't by design. Design chesindi kaadu, Pelli Choopulu wasn't by design. I think for the very first time, after a long time, maybe in Telugu cinema, there were a bunch of very normal boys and girls who got together and did a film about us, and people wanted to watch that film because it was related. They found us relatable. We came from the audience, actually. I feel that Pelli Choopulu batch has come from the audience who wanted to talk about our own lives in a very colloquial way, and we happened to be at the right time at the right place. I don't think I can recreate it, or nobody can take onus of the success of Pelli Choopulu, because nobody realized we were just having fun. There was no genius behind Pelli Choopulu. It just happened to be destined to come out at that point of time, and we just stuck by what we were doing, and we had fun, and we didn't think about the norms of what acting was. In fact, I remember as actors, all these guys have done theater, and Ritu's also done modeling and short films and all that. She's worked with me before. So all of them had one very unique way of performance. ఇప్పుడు జనరల్ గా చాలా మంది ఇండస్ట్రీ నుంచి ఆడిషన్ చేస్తే దే హ్యావ్ అ సెట్ ఆఫ్ రూల్స్, బట్ వీళ్ళందరికి ఆ రూల్స్ లేకుండే. we were the word is we were naive. I mean, we did not know about the industry norms as to how to act, how to direct, or what to say. ఇట్లా ఈ జోక్ పెడితే కాకినాడలో బేలుతుంది, ఈ డైలాగ్ ఇట్లా కొడితే రీసౌండ్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ అని మాకు ఐడియా లేదు. అండ్ ఐ థింక్ దట్ ఇన్నోసెన్స్ ఇస్ వాట్ మేడ్ ద ఫిల్మ్ ఫ్రెష్. I think people connected to that innocence, people connected to the carefree nature of how we worked together, all that love and affection in the film. People found it refreshing because we put our heart out into the film, and at the right time, right place, Pelli Choopulu happened. And I think it will always be a memory, not only for us, also for the Telugu audience decades later, that this film happened. This film happened. It was by a bunch of people like us, for us, and we made it what it was.
Well, guys, as audience, I can tell you guys that it's a really special film.
But this is really just a way that destiny happened. And Ivala, all of us have to be so grateful. Each of us, each technician has to be so grateful. Each actor has to be so grateful that we were at the right place at the right time. Corona, ippudu ayunte matram, I think lives would have been different. Kakpote, I just hope we all come back together and we have the same fun and same kind of vibe again. I hope we can shoot Pelli Choopulu 2 again, or any other project. We all come back together, and I hope the magic happens again. At least I know we'll all have fun. I'm super proud of everybody, and I hope you guys are keeping yourself safe. Tappakunda 29th I'll be at Vijay's house only, coughing in his face.
Thank you all guys for this. I hope next year you can all come back and we can have a 5 years of Pelli Choopulu reunion again. Make it an annual thing.
I hope we get a vaccine by then and we can do it physically with all of each other.
But thank you for organizing this. We wouldn't have thought.
Thank you so much.
So nice to meet everybody, all these guys.
Thanks to you for bringing the crew together.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Vijay, next month is Arjun Reddy anniversary also, so we'll try and reach out to you for that too.
Yeah.
ఇక నాకు డబ్బులు కట్టాలి మీరు.
Ready, never important.
పెద్దోళ్ళు అయిన తర్వాత ఫంక్షన్ లో అటెండ్ అవుతుంటారు కదా, పెళ్లిళ్ళకి అటెండ్ అయ్యి అక్షంతలు వేసి అట్లుంది పరిస్థితి. షూటింగ్ లేవు, ఇంటర్వ్యూలు ఇచ్చి
But anyway, I just also want to thank Raj Kandukuri garu, Yash garu, Vivek Sagar, Ravi. They couldn't be there. Andu also we tried to invite, he couldn't come, I guess. But I miss all of them, and I hope they're all doing well.
All right, bye boys, bye bye.
Okay.
Bye, Ritu.
Bye Darshi, bye Ritu.
Bye.